If you've been on Xiaohongshu lately, you've probably seen this face. This is Gongzi Ye Kang, and her makeup is the definition of effortless but expensive. Today I'm gonna break down exactly what she does in this tutorial, step by step, so you can understand why this look hits so different. She calls this a light, high-end, daily work school makeup. The whole goal is naked skin, soft features, and eyes that look bigger but not dramatic. No heavy contour, no bold lip, just clean. First, she keeps the base super thin. She says makeup is better when it's light, so just a light layer of foundation to even skin tone. Then she focuses on dark circles, conceals only where needed. And here's a pro tip: she does section setting. She uses a puff to set just the nose and T-zones so it doesn't get oily, but leaves the cheeks dewy. That contrast is what makes skin look real, not cakey. Her brows are key. They're soft, feathery, with natural texture, not blocked or Instagram brow. She also does a very subtle nose contour just on the sides and tip, to make the nose look smaller and more refined without looking obvious. Okay, the eyes are where the magic happens. She uses a peachy apricot eyeshadow all over the lid and sweeps it up slightly. That's what gives the lifted feeling. Then she deepens just the outer corner and lower lash line with a light brown. She doesn't forget aegyosal. She uses leftover shadow to softly shade under the eye. That makes the eyes look bigger and more innocent. Eyeliner is thin, drawn close to the lashes with a tiny upward flick. She adds a dark brown dot at the inner corner, then highlights the inner corner to open the eye. For lashes, no falsies across the whole eye. She curls, adds a little mascara, then uses single cluster lashes only on the outer corner. That's why the eyes look longer instead of round. For blush, she uses a peachy pink. She puts it on the apples of the cheeks and also lightly on the sides of the nose and chin. It's what gives that healthy, youthful vibe. Then highlight above the brows, down the nose bridge, on the cupid's bow and chin. This is what creates that glass skin glow in the center of the face. Lips are a peachy orange gloss, dabbed in the middle so it looks juicy, not lined. And the final signature move, she takes liquid highlighter and pats it on the top of the cheekbone. She says this makes the eyes look watery and awake instantly. That's the last 10% that makes it. Let me know if you want me to break down more Xiaohongshu tutorials like this. And the influencer is Gongzi Ye Kang on Xiaohongshu if you want to check her original video. Thanks for watching.